In this question, there are 8 persons sitting on an square table and all of them are facing towards the center. To solve this problem efficiently, carefully consider the adjacent positionings and opposite directional positioning. Let's carefully analyze it now. For example, there is a square and B and E are sitting adjacent to each other. So align this first row to B and D both. Afterwards, D is sitting opposite to B. Opposite to B is here. So D will be seated here. And H is sitting immediately to the left of E. Left of E is in this direction and immediate of E is here. So H will occupy here. Now the clue says that C is sitting opposite to H. Opposite to H is here, so C will be seated here. The next clue says that G is sitting 2 seats away to the right of A. So the A and G will be carefully positioned here. If you will position the A here, the G will be positioned here, but it is already occupied by H. So A cannot be occupied here. If you will allow the A to be seated here, again the no space will be left for the G. But at last, if you align the A here, then the only position to be occupied by G will be here. So G and A will occupy these 2 places. Now the only person left is the F and hence F will be assigned here. This is the unique positioning of all the person on this square table. So first question says that who is sitting fourth to the right of C? Right of C is in this direction. First is A, second is D, third is G and fourth is F. So its answer is F. Who is sitting opposite to G? Opposite to G is E. So its answer is E. And opposite to A is F. So answer will be F. Who are the immediate neighbors of A? So immediate neighbors of A here is C and D. So its answer will be C and D. Who sits third to the left of D? Left of D is in this direction. First is A, second is C, third is B. So its answer would be B. Last question says that if D and B, A and G, F and D exchange their places, who will be the immediate neighbors of G? So let's do the exchanging. D and B exchanged here, A and G exchanged, and F and E exchanged their places. So for the G now, the neighbors are C and B, hence its answer will be B and C. I hope the solution of this problem was helpful to you. If this video helped you learn something new, please like the video and subscribe it to get notified for the new videos on seating arrangements. Thank you and see you later.